Have you ever tried to add a special offer to your email campaign, such as the first 100 to register on your website get 20% off? Microsoft Dynamics Marketing 2015 Update now allows you to create triggers on multiple conditions and seamlessly integrate offers into your campaign flows. Offers can be used and tracked across multiple campaigns until they get exhausted. Like most of the other tiles on our graphical console, responses to the offer can trigger a different marketing treatment, like sending a thank you email to any contact who viewed the offer. Let's take a look at these new features in action. Julia, the marketing executive, wants to run a campaign to launch a monthly newsletter for Contoso Healthcare. She thinks it would be cool to throw in a free eye checkup offer for the first 100 early birds who register for the monthly newsletter. Julia gets started by going to Marketing Execution, then Offers. She clicks the Add button to create a new offer. Julia leaves the template drop-down blank to create a new offer and then clicks on Submit. Next, she titles the offer and sets the start and end date. She wants to make the offer valid through the month of January, since January is historically a very slow month. She adds the offer link text. This will be the hyperlink within the body of the email that the user clicks to participate in the offer. The link will take the user to one of two offer landing pages, one landing page for valid offers and one landing page for invalid offers. Also, Julia sets the maximum number of offers to 100. Julia makes the offer active and then clicks Submit. Now that the offer has been created, Julia goes to Marketing Execution, then Campaigns. She clicks the Add button to create a new campaign. She names the campaign, sets the dates, and clicks on Submit. Julia then clicks the campaign to go to the summary view, and from there switches to the Campaign Management console. She starts building the campaign by assigning a marketing list, then adds an email tile and an offer tile. Once she has the basic structure of her campaign in place, she can go back and add the properties. For the email list, she assigns a list titled Existing Patients. Julia clicks the email tile and has the option to choose an existing template or to create a blank email. She chooses blank email and then clicks Submit. Now she names the email and chooses a subscription center, and then presses Save. Julia clicks the Edit button to begin adding content to the email, such as text and images. She adds a text box for a header. She could add as much content as she needs to, but the content of the email is still being reviewed by her manager, so she goes back to the summary view. She clicks Details to make sure all the required fields are complete, and then she clicks Save. Next, she validates the email. Great! No errors, so she clicks Submit. After the flyout closes, she selects the email tile and assigns the newly created email to that tile. Now the email has been defined in the Campaign Management console. Next, she clicks on the Offers tile to define the properties. Remember, she created the offer earlier and it now appears in the Properties tab, so she chooses it and hits Select. Marcus, the office administrator, hears about the success of Julia's campaign and asks if he can also use the same offer for his campaign on annual preventative screening. To do this, Julia creates a new campaign from within Campaign Management. She sets the dates the same as her campaign and then clicks Save. Now, Julia just needs to add Marcus's annual preventative screening campaign to her offer. Since the offer was created independently of the campaign, Microsoft Dynamics Marketing will automatically track the number of offer participation, in this case, 100 offers. But Marcus wants to reserve his offers only for a specific segment, the fence sitters who have opened their emails but never registered for an appointment. Marcus can easily target this segment by using the multi-condition feature and the advanced properties. This great new feature to Microsoft Dynamics Marketing 2015 Update can really empower marketers to choose when and how they target communications with their customers.